Hi friends, in this video we will going to show you how to publish the application in your Play Store in 2024. I seen that so many people has facing so many problems after the new Google policy has been updated for the 20 testers. So many people are facing so much problem how to publish their apps and games or any particular apps like that. So most of people has asking me in the comments what to do. We have a 20 tester problem, and apart from that how to publish the ads, and some people are saying that its next step is not going for the review for the 20 tester also. What should we have to do? So in this video we're going to show you how to you have to publish the app in the Play Store, and how can we able to see that 20 tester, where we need to add and where we need to add the description, and what are the user permission we have to give, and what are the steps to publish the app, and for a particular logging where we have to enter our login credentials and everything. So in this video I'm going to show you and particular places and particular steps here. So right now I have been logged into my Play console. So as you can see, there is a dash of this is a completely new console. It has been verified completely, so it is a new console. As you can see, it has been verified also. As I have taken the text of the description here, this is the app name. Let's try to create the new app, that is app name. Okay, it is a like a task ending app is this, so free I'm in mentioning, and it is an app, it's not a game. So I mean tick, you have to click some places I'm going to do very fastly. Just keep watch my video step by step, otherwise you're going to face a problem. After that, click on as next, and there is some setups are there here. Most of the people face the confusion. Some before that, before coming 20 tester, we have the direct release option will be there, but now it is been a mandatory like a closed tester and production and internal testing tester there. Internal tester nothing but in your mobile you have been publishing for in-app purchase, all those things. So right now we have to take a finish setup and your app we have to go in that. The first thing, it is going to ask for your policy, data policy of your app. You have to copy and paste, and in the upcoming video I will show you how to make your data policy also. Most of people makes the mistakes in that. And next step, it app access. So your app has the login credential or not, so you have to mention your login credential in that. So as you can see in this place, I have been maintaining like my name is Afzal, so I have been maintaining like Afzal, and so I'm giving a login credential Afzal@gmail.com. We need to specify whatever the app you have been making like a test login credentials, you have to mention here. So the Google can able to log in, and they can able to test the app. Before using that, they will going to see, they will going to test the app before releasing. It is a genuine app or it is a fake app, or it has any virus or anything like that, so they will going to test. After that, we need to write in the blog also. It is not much mandatory, but it is very good if you are mentioning credentials, and apart from that, any information you have to take it out and just add it, and just go save next, go on, then again go back to the app access. So again go on the ad sections, whether in your application there is ads are there or not. So in my application ads are there, so I have been clicking it as. And the next step is content writing. The content writing, you can see there is some you need to give the your regular Gmail ID, which we can able to read mails, so we can able to get a one license of the license policy. So I need to define the particular app in that. Say next. In the fast mode, I'm going to do it is like the same thing. Just go on the tick as know everything for that. It is a simple thing, because as you have a app balance or anything, it is a specified, but it is not a big deal. Just you can do no, 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 just next, and go back. According to that, it will going to give the content writing, and there is a targeting audience. This is the most important. Just click on a 18 plus only. If you are going to go with the below of the 18, then you have to specify for that. So okay, it is be designed for your children's or not, it is a more matter. Most of people do that no, but in this s this app is not designed for the children's, you have to mention in that. If you are if you are doing the mostly thing that saying the no and thing, then it is your account will going to get it terminated. That is a damn sure for that, so please don't make it. Please select as a 18 place only, it is a very good thing. Then this is a newspaper app or no, just write it as a no. If it is a newspaper app, then go with the newspaper only, news app. And then COVID, no, obviously I'm not going to trace on the COVID, then going just to say as a no. And what is the next thing? The data safety. Most of people do the wrong here. Data safety, see your app, what kind of a data it's taking, you need to mention here that. So most of people said no, we are not collecting. Obviously you're going to collect the data, like user credentials you will going to collect. You need to paste your private policy here, because it is a terms and condition only anyhow. Yes, you have to paste what are the data you are taking, you have to mention that. If you are saying that as a no, then if your app is having a like login credential, then it will going to be reject you. That is a damn sure they will going to reject your app. This is a more common mistake that everybody does. They'll mention as a no, but you have to mention as a yes, and what are the things they are taking, you have to mention to that. So as you can see, there is a no still pop-up, so I need to check which thing I have been missed here. Just going in the start, then the first thing only app does not been mentioned here. Yes. And then just there is a highlight of the next, just I'm going to do that as the next. And there is a next policy. In this, what are the things I'm taking? This is my task application, just I'm taking the crash data and device ID, so I can able to say the mostly the user will going to take this data only. Then we need to know what are the information you are sharing. We need to share that we are sharing only analytics and advertisement marketing, because you are using only ads, right? So we are not taking apart from the more data. So you need to analytics for the mobile users, and marketing for the apps, which is the ads we are using. For that we need to mention that here. I mean, anything more you are taking, you have to mention in that. That is not a big thing. Just save it as and just go back again. uh, just try to see my video step by step, you will understand. It is a government related app, no. Then last is the financial. This is a new thing, most of people they will take like usually, because it's not been related to any gambling or anything. You have to mention here it has not been related to any gambling, just save it as. Then go next, and this is a setup app details. So these are the basic things. When you are seeing the app, you can able to understand. You need to define, this is my task application, that is a scratch and run type of application. So I'm been just entering like a entertainment only for the scratch and things. It's like a kind of a game type only. So let me see, it is I'm mentioning like an entertainment only mostly, but just comes under to financial also. But usually I'm doing only one thing. Again I changed my mind, so it will go with the financial only. And tax, you can define or you can able to filter your tax also. As the financial structure I'm going here, so just select what are the options we have. In this only one thing is I think I'm going to use it in that. Okay, that's it. Now I will do as apply. And the next, the email id. So I forgot which email id I need to add, so just I'm randomly I will going to see my mail id only. I'm going to write it here. Let's go and let's copy and paste here. Save. If you are feeling confused, just see my video in this slowly more. So while in the editing, I maybe remove some things. So just go again, and there is a more final setup. See here the setup your app. That is the same description and app information and logos and name. So I've been just copying and pasting. That is, you need to write a description according to the SEO. If you want your app should be a rank, so you need to write a description very goodly. But what the description I got from the customer, so I have been mentioning that only. And this is my customer app, not mine, so I have been just copying and pasting the description. App logo, I have made the file here. So okay, logo and the full graphical picture. I think you know very well about these things, and you can able to do it very easily. If you are a professional, you can, it is very easy for you to do. Just see my video, you can able to understand by steps. Okay, next the final video. I have been taken more, but some place the size won't be a match, so I can able to remove that. So as you can see, there is some places the images are not been matching, so I will going to remove this. I usually do these things because we don't I don't remember which size I am taking. So that's the thing. Sometimes it's going to take some pictures won't be take. So I'll just save it and just do it back. Okay. Here is the most critical parts. The people will get confused here. I will go in the again dashboard. See, here is the sections. It says that app apply the app access to open. Quickly share your for internet. Quickly check and close that tester also is the production also is there. Before going for a production, there is some policies. Usually there are 20 tester policies there. So you are thinking that where we need to add the 20 testers, right? So while going in the production, there is some options. So as you should see, there is a internal tester is a closer. Internal tester is nothing but you are testing your app and what are the things you want to do. That is for internal testing. If you want a closer tester, because from the going for the production, see as you can see the production when you are making your app live, the billion of the users, Google Play before you can apply for the production access, you need to run the closed tester by meeting your credentials when you are will be also need to have an answer of the some questions of that, and after 20 session opting in the same thing they run your testers, and after 14 days it will going to be live the same thing. So just we need to go the closer testing. Okay, as you can see there is a closer testing. Just again I will show you the you can see the cloud testing for the alpha data again the back, and I'm coming front. So as you can see it is clearly we mentioned the closer tester to meet our credential. So closer tester to meet for the 20 tester. So I'm going for the closer tester as you can see here, and identify your issues and feedback of yours. Just I'm going to click the region, sorry, country region. So in this I'm going to apply for the all the countries. So before that it has we should be here the sections I have been just maintaining. So closer tester, if you are facing any problem just go back in the dashboard. So for your clarity I've been opening again and again, so to show you some clarities over here. Select the regions and create a new release for the app, and here is the countries. So I'm going to select for all countries because it's a task app, so I can able to publish in all the countries. It is not a big deal for that. So just save it, and the next section is for select for the testers. Okay, here it's showing the testers. You can as well as a group or email list. So right now I have some email IDs, so I will going to just keep the template as a tester, and up tester. Just write in as a tester. So these are the email IDs. I have been kept the all mail IDs in the notepad. So I'm just copying and pasting all the email IDs. For each and every mail ID, you need to mention as a comma. So here there is a no comma, so I will remove it here. So step by step only I'm going to copy it here. Just copy, paste, comma, and the mail ID. So here I'm going to do some quite fast forward here. Okay. So you can see here. No, I will try to keep it as a hold only, no fast forward, because the people are facing the problem here only. So I'm going to copy here step by step. So I'm trying to take the three email IDs at a time. So it won't be much problem right now. So copy and paste. Please bear with me a couple of minutes so it can be able to complete the copy and paste. Just enter here. You can see all the mail IDs has been added here. Some more mail IDs are there left. So here you can see there is a mail ID list has been added here. 1, 2, 3. I'm just counting on here the whether 20 mail IDs there or not. Even you can add little bit more email IDs also if you really wants to add those things. So right now I've been completed the 20 ID, then save the changes and create it. But there is a some error is there here. There is some error is there. The two mail IDs has been not taking. So this mail ID I'm trying to copy and paste whether I did any spelling mistakes like that, but it's I think it's not taking. The email ID has been already exited. So let me delete here. Let me try again. Okay. There is a in this mail ID I have been doing some wrong thing. So I need to check. So I'm going to change my completely mail ID only. I think there is I have written some wrong mail ID here. As you can see, there is a some. So I'm going to delete this mail ID and I'm going to paste some other mail ID. So I have been changed here my mail ID, and this mail ID have been copied and pasted, and here we're going to delete. You can see that I have given double M, so that's why it's not been taken. So it's kind of a silly mistake, so it may be happen, so nothing to be worried. So right now I will going to check, and again if it is any problem, so I can able to see it. Or no, I will see all the mail IDs has been checking if it is anything is missing or not, so I need to make sure about that, because this is the main part. Most of the people has been facing a problem, so that's the thing. What I'm doing is I'm making sure everything is fine here. Let me close his, and I have been again I'm trying whether there is any problem or not, so I've been changed saved. So there is still one error. The same mail ID has some problem, so that's why it has been done. So I have been saved here. So I created a list. As you can see, I have created the mail list, but here you can see there is a no test of joining of the one of the web, because the link has been won't be available right now, because you need to send your app for a review. So now we are going to create the release now. So for the review sections, here I'm going to upload my APK file. Before that, key store, I need to use like a Google only. It is the most easy thing nowadays, because again they will ask where we need to add the key store and everything. Just try to take a Google one only. Okay, so while before Google is generating the key has been generated now. So I will upload the file now, the ABB file, and here you can add your description. So I will just write it like a common thing. Welcome to anything you can able to write. It's up to you. You want to write it or not, it's up to you. But it's better if you are writing anything good message or anything. It will be good, it impact you very good impression for you, your app. So it's been loading now. I know this video is taking quite a bit long, but it is such helpful to you. So just do as a next, and so here is a one error. This is a usual thing, because my API is more than 13. So here the same thing, you are sharing the data that Google Analytics advertisement you have to click, and go back again. So actions, no, if we are taken to go back completely, go in a app. The way are being presently like a closer tester, that we need to provide the. Okay, now we have to go in countries. We had it completely to go under a review. Okay, so our app is ready for to send the review now. Okay, go in the publish overview right now. The testers are activated, but link still is not been active, because it's will be active after your app is after the review only. It will going to be active. Okay, so as you can see that I'm still going in the dashboard. See, it say that go in a public overview. Okay, so this is a public overview. We have to go, and this is my app is ready for to send the public overview. This is a publish overview. This is the most critical part. The most of people they say we have been published, it is not showing for the testing. Why it's not showing the testing? Because you still does not send for the review. It takes some time, 2 to 3 days, then it will going to get the testing link will be going to appear. So as you can see, go in the manage. After that, when it is a review is completed, go in the testing. Here you can see there is a testing copy ULR, it will going to display to you. Okay, then only your app will be going to be come for the testing. Until that it won't become, until the review is not been completed, it won't show for the review. Okay, so here I'm showing this. So go on the review also, it's showing as a under review. Okay, so what I did, I go in the play console, I copy the for your reference I have been copy the package name, and go in the incoordinator mode, and I open the Google Play Console. So any app I'm trying to take, and after wait, let me app is open. So what I'm doing in the ULR, I'm going to delete this them package name, then I'm replacing with my package name. So it's saying that the link it's not been available right now because the app is still under review. So that's the thing, it's not been showing to you. So for that you need to wait for the until review has been completed. Okay, so then only it will going to show you. Okay, just you save that link, so when it is a review, it's going to be open, it's going to show you the link that. Okay, so after that the production and everything it will going to show you. See, the app need to be published. See, the closer tester need to be a review after completing. The closer tester will be going to be released. Here is the same steps are there. Until that it will not going to show you. So just after the review is completed, then 14 days you need to install your application in the mobile. For 14 you sorry 20 user need to be install their apps every day. You have to open for the fifth for the 14 days. After that you will going to get a one form, you have to fill up that. Again it will be go in the review. After 7 days your app will be going to be review. So most of people has faced this problem. So after that most of people face the problem, so they ask, so I've been showed how to, like, after the review completed only we're going to show the join link will be going to open. So I hope you will going to like my video, and if you feel that the video has been useful and it is, has some content for you to useful, so please I request you all to like this video and share with your colleagues. So many people are facing a problem. So if after this tester will be live, I'm going to share you the next video also how the tester will be going to after review, how the app tester will be get the link for that, and how you need to install to then, how you need to test it that, and how many days you have to keep. In the upcoming video I'm going to show you. If you think that my video is some helpful and it is where some information is there, so please like and subscribe to my video. And if you have faced any problem, please write any comment on my video, so I can able to understand you people are really feeling that is useful or not. So I request you to please write any comments on that, so we can able to understand the video is useful to you or not, or we need to make more videos. If you have any kind of a doubts, or if you need any kind of a service for a website and apps and games development, you can contact to us. You can see our information in the video only. You can see, and we do all kind of a website, and that in the website also we have a subscription model. If you really need any kind of a blog website, any newspaper, any portfolio website, your e-commerce website, please contact to us. The link is in the description below, and you can find all the information. Or you are facing any problem to publish your app, please contact us. We will take some charges from for the app publishing, and for the tester also we have a services for that. Please contact us, we will help you out in all the kind of services. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe to our video.